Hello everyone, it's me again. I kind of wanted to make a video that focuses on what News to You looks like on the inside and kind of show you what exactly you need to do, which isn't a lot, I promise, just to make it easier on you because I want to make sure I am supporting you the best I absolutely can, and this will at least make me feel like I'm doing better at that. So, again, you're going to go to Modules, find Monday, April 13th. You are going to see a YouTube video of me kind of explaining exactly what each assignment is and how to do that. And then you are going to see the link. The link is going to show you the assignment list. Assignment 1 is actually the News to You reading. So you are going to get on the website, sign in. You are a student. And then you are going to look for the orange snowflake. As soon as you hit the orange snowflake, it is going to send you exactly to the place that you need to be. So for today, the leveled book activity, you're going to click it. And then down here in this corner right here, you're going to see arrows, a go button, this, and this.
Jordan's first job.
Which is
Level
going to read
E.
the chapter to you if you want. Now, every single one of our students knows how to get through this. They do it every single Monday and Friday. The arrows are going to go from page to page. And again, every page is if you click
Can
the speech
Jordan
button,
do the job? Does Jordan have the skills for the job?
it's going to read it to you. If you want to go back to the page where the assignments are, you're just going to hit this little News to You globe thing and hit home. And that way from here you can get into the activity 2. What I love about this online aspect of this is that there's no cutting and gluing and all the different things that come along with ULS when you do it on paper. So who is the main character in the story? If you get
Grandpa.
it wrong, it's going to give you a little boing, like, oops, try again. If they get it correct, it's going to turn green. So you're going to answer all the questions.
Jordan looks for a job. Jordan looks for a job.
It's going to read it to you, and then you can click your answer. For these, so we're going to sequence events in the story. All you have to do is click one, and
Jordan
it will upload
gets
it
a
for
car.
you. So once you finish all of these, it is just going to turn it in straight to me. You don't have to do anything else. And that is my little News to You tutorial.
There's more to do.
And if you're not finished,
I am done. Keep working.
That's exactly what
I
it's
am
gonna
done.
do. So if you have any questions, again, feel free to call me. I'm going to try and help you the best that I can. But I'm really looking forward to trying this online. So just give me a call. Let me know what you think. Bye, guys.